I'm meteorologist Mark Torello with this Watertown Weather Watch update going into a Thursday evening. Very cold this morning. Matter of fact, Watertown was one of the colder spots across our local area. But today is our transition day as we begin to see a slight temperature recovery. You'll feel it even more by tomorrow afternoon and beyond going into the upcoming weekend. Looks like our weather stays fairly quiet for the next several days too. Could see a brief episode of snow flurries here Friday night and Saturday night, but not expecting any accumulation with that. Big story is going to be the warm-up here and a thaw. Let's talk about our time-lapse from Watertown today. You can see the accent on the sunshine. Excellent visibility across area hometowns as well. And we'll keep things mainly clear to partly cloudy as we head into the evening hours of tonight. And here's a look at those low temperature readings from this morning. Look at that, 18 below zero. The actual air temperature reading earlier today in Watertown, it was 19 below in Aberdeen, 10 below in Huron, 13 below in Brookings, and 10 below in Sioux Falls. High temperature readings by mid-afternoon on this Thursday. You can see that warmer weather beginning to build off to the west, and that really begins to push in for the day tomorrow, going into the upcoming weekend, even into most of next week. Here's a look at the animation. You can see rather quiet on this Thursday. A fair amount of sunshine around these parts. Just a couple clouds showing up here on the satellite perspective. And as we move ahead, the clouds will be on the increase here, especially by Friday late afternoon, going into Friday evening. That's when we could put down a couple snow flurries, but as you can see, nothing real organized showing up here on the Futurecast. Let's talk about the forecast in detail for tonight. Partly cloudy and not as cold. We'll see low temperature readings near 12 above zero. South winds will help us out a little bit at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now we'll look at your Friday forecast. Partly cloudy and warmer, going above freezing, topping off in the mid-30s. West winds on the light side. Here is a look at your extended forecast as we plan ahead, focusing in on the weekend with highs in the mid to upper 30s. A few spots may hit 40 degrees. And then from Monday, look at that, upper 40s to right around 50 with a partly cloudy sky. Looks like most spots will get into the low 50s here on Tuesday. Just a shade cooler on Wednesday. And then a reinforcement of cold arriving by Thursday of next week with a mainly cloudy sky. But as you can see, looking at this extended forecast, nothing real organized showing up for the time being. Again, it could be a brief episode of snow flurries here as we go through Friday night and once again for Saturday night. I'm meteorologist Mark Torello. That's your Watertown Weather Watch.